name is Althea Visiavante. I'm here to discuss about the parts of analog multimeter. This is analog multimeter and this is the test proofs.
This is the scale. At the top is reading for resistance, the middle is reading for voltage, and the bottom is reading for current. This is the zero corrector and the needle pointer to indicate the reading. And this is the range selector and the corresponding ranges. And this one is the 0 ohm adjuster to adjust the needle pointer. The black test probe is for negative and the red test probe is for positive.